Okay, April 26th, Willie Eymann auction. We're pulling out the 1957 Chevy. TheAuctionMill.com. I got Lauren inside, Randy, Mike Brown. First time this car has seen the light of day since 1969. Here it is. You got about 8 feet behind you, Randy. There it is. That's probably good. Is that good? That's good, Randy. Okay. That's good. Are we good? You're good. 283. These guys are funny. Alright, here it is. There's Randy. What do you think? Got anything to say?
Tom's nuts.
Say something nice about the auction mill.
Oh, great. This couldn't be a better place to work.
Okay. That's what we want to hear. Okay. Well.
I love it. I absolutely love it.
Alright.
Yeah, it is. She's turning over, so it's not stuck.
Alright, they said it's turning over. It's not stuck. Might just need a battery.
If you had a battery, you just start right up, I suppose.
Just a stick too.
Is it?
That's why we're here. Yeah. You're gonna get the batteries back.
Then you shouldn't stand in front of the
Yeah, watch out, dude.
Okay.
What do you think, Mike?
I think it'll run.
It worked.
Let's get this thing running and take it for a spin.
I wish I had brought a battery or just turn it over.
Here's the Model T. We can steal the battery out of Randy's truck.
Yeah, right.
Brand new.
Brand new. Said he wouldn't be able to pull the horn.
Yeah, that's true.
You guys deserve.
Here's the Model T.
You deserved every bit of it.
There's Randy and Lauren. Diane.
What about that?
Jump box.
Huh?
That blanket?
Boys are excited.
Wipe it off.
I'd brought my jump box if I thought about it.
You walking.
Pop the hood down.
So now we got Randy the detail man. Let me get the other side. This is exciting. There's this plates that say 1969, so you know she hasn't been plated since then. Randy is wiping it down like a good employee. I'll take you inside quick. I'll take you inside the other way since that's locked. Yep.
Come back, pumpkin.
Let's see. Let's look at the inside. You got her?
Stay out of the way. Let him do the camera stuff first, and then you can look at it.
All right, here we go. Let me get you the mileage here. It's 89,103. Oh, hold on. 89,103.
40 years since that door's been open.
That's right. 3 on the tree. This car does not need much work to be restored. It just needs a bad bath. It's a 2-door post.
Plus, it's this.
Oh yeah. All right. Sweet. I like it. All right. Well, we're gonna kind of clean it up and get some photos. So come see us on the 26th at the auction. We'll have a preview the day before. www.theauctionmill.com. It's the Willie Eymann Estate. We got it out of the garage.